Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a Brian O. He says, I'm 55 years old with 31 years of service. My wife turned 60 in 2023. Can she retire and start collecting railroad retirement? Now, congratulations on your 30 plus years of service. Right, Brian? That's fantastic, especially at 55. Congrats on that. However, she can't start her spousal annuity until you start collecting yours, all right? That's kind of the triggering. Now, her being 60, what she can do is at 62 start her Social Security until you start your annuity, and then she can flip over to the spousal annuity, tier 2, all those type of benefits. Check out my video, Understanding Spouse Annuity and Railroad Retirement. That will give you a lot of information about that topic. All right, so Brian, I hope you found that helpful. Everyone, please send in your questions. I'll shoot a video on them. Subscribe to YouTube channel, and please keep sharing the channel. I do appreciate that. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.